So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a high protein cheesecake as requested by you guys. What I find when I searched this on YouTube was there's a lot of protein powders, a lot of sweeteners, and personally I really dislike the taste of sweeteners and protein powders. So I'm going to be making the use of natural high protein foods. I'm going to be using almonds, peanut butter. I'm going to be using oat cookies, and they are high in fibre, low in sugar, and they've got dark chocolate in as well. Dark chocolate is naturally high in protein, and instead of using the cream cheese filling, I'm going to be using quark, which tastes exactly the same, but it's got a high protein content. And I am the nutritionist for foodies. Like you, I love my food and I want it to be healthy too. So first things first, guys, is I've got about 25 cookies in here, and as I said, they're kind of a healthier version. I believe they got around 8% protein, and we're just gonna, you can either blitz it or you can get your anger out and smash the biscuits. Once it's all into crumbs, tip it into a bowl, and we're going to add 80 grams of melted butter. Now this is going to keep the biscuits together. And once we mix it up, we're going to put it into a 21 centimetre spring-form tin. So I've used melted butter. To be honest, you can use coconut oil. It is also a saturated fat, so it's up to you whether you like the taste of coconut oil. So this is going to help get your protein requirements without having to add, you know, all the kind of protein powders, which to be honest is not that necessary. If you're, you know, following a well-balanced diet, you don't need all these protein powders unless you're like following a vegan lifestyle and you want to like gain so much muscle. Then maybe you might need to add because you're on a calorie deficit. But you know, for an average person, you don't need to be having a lot of protein shakes. Awesome. So this is pretty much done. We're going to put this in the freezer or the fridge, and we're going to cool it down. So this is a no-bake cheesecake, and I was really inspired by the Reese's peanut butter cup flavour. So we're actually going to split the batter into two flavours, chocolate and peanut butter. So we're going to make the main bed of butter first. So we're going to add 600 grams of quark. What's that? Quark cheese is like a mild, like soft cheese without the sour taste of the Greek yoghurt. Should have got your nails done. Oh no, does it look really bad? No. We're going to add half a cup of Greek yogurt, and as you can see on the pack, it does say it's a source of protein. And this is kind of, instead of adding whipping cream, it's a healthier alternative. Next, we're going to add 100 ml of maple syrup, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Smells really good. This is the fun bit. We're going to get 2 bowls. By the way, all these bowls are on my Amazon store. I love them because it's got the rubber base on so it doesn't slip. So link is in the description. One's going to be peanut butter and one's going to be chocolate. Dark chocolate. I've used dark chocolate because it's healthier, it's got less sugar, but it's also kind of got around 12% protein. And in the other bowl, we're going to add kind of around 120 grams of peanut butter. So this is going to be that kind of other element of the Reese's peanut butter cup cheesecake. Try and get as natural as possible. I really like Meridian because it has no palm oil and it's all natural. It's just 100% peanut butter. For me, this recipe has that perfect balance of that sweet and salty. You've got the kind of sweetness from the maple syrup contrasting with the bitterness of the dark chocolate and the saltiness of the peanut butter, and it really kind of hits that bliss point, and it's really yummy. And it's a great healthy alternative. We haven't got double cream and, you know, full fat cream cheese. We're using quark and you can't really taste the difference at all. So with the peanut butter one, I recommend you electric whisk it. As you can see, it's like a really luxurious, thick peanut butter batter. It's kind of up to you how you want to start it.
How long do they need to put the thing in for?
So you need to put the biscuits in for like an hour minimum, an hour or two. Put it in the freezer if you want, speed it up. But we're going to put everything in the fridge bucket anyway. Cool, so what you can do is you can put like a layer of chocolate and a layer of peanut butter and a layer of chocolate. It's kind of up to you how you want to do it, or you can do like a marble effect. With protein, we're actually recommended to have 0.75 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. It does go up if you want to lose fat but gain like high amounts of muscle, but that is what I recommend and is how I kind of do my meal plans based on that. There you have the no-bake cheesecake. Now, you do really need to put it in the fridge for a minimum of kind of 4 hours so it can solidify. So the cheesecake had an hour and a half in the freezer. It's probably best to leave it in the fridge for about 4 hours, or you could freeze it. But this is the finished result. As you can see, you've got the 2 layers, you've got the chocolate and the peanut butter layer. So let's see, cut into it. So you've got the crunchy biscuit oaty, you've got that kind of dark chocolate. It's that perfect sweet and salty vibe going on. And it's the perfect guilt-free dessert. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. I was never ever gonna stay for long. Love is the shelter to life's great. Did you move it? What, the tin? Yeah. It's in the fridge. Oh.
Oh dear.
Hello guys. So of course the tin was in the fridge. It's got the biscuits in. We're keeping that nice and cold. Now. Speechless is love till the end of time. I know it hurts. Oh, it hurts right now. No, we'll be just fine. Down by the shadows where children play, I belong to you, run away someday. Cast out your fears, won't you take my hand? From a lonely boy to an older man.